Hey guys, Jim here with the Twin Home Experts. Today we're going to talk about pipe lining. If you have an old cast iron pipe or even a plastic pipe that needs to be restored and rehabilitated without the massive cost of digging and trenching and opening up walls, we're going to show you that right now. Alright guys, what is pipe lining? Pipe lining is a process in which you create a new pipe within the old pipe. So in this case, we have a two-part epoxy, two resins mixed together, and we have an air inversion with a balloon. It actually goes inside the pipe and it lines the inner walls, giving you a 50-year warranty. All right, you can see here we're up on a roof. We came out to a call with a reported sewer gas smell, and what we found was this during our smoke test. What we found with this line here, completely compromised. You know, cast iron has a life expectancy of about 40 years. So below us here is a library with a bunch of shelves, and the cost to open up the walls, remove his cabinetry, would be a lot more expensive than rehabilitating this with the liner. So we're gonna go ahead and show you that next. All right, so one of the things we want to do is protect the roof. You know, using epoxy can get a little messy. So by using a 6mm polyplastic, ensures a nice clean area once we're done. All right, so the first thing we're going to do is go ahead and put a camera down the line and inspect. It'll give us the distance. It'll also tell us how much descaling and cleaning we need to do. All right, so now what we do is we measure the exact footage utilizing the camera. We're going to go ahead and mark it. So we've got our team member down below looking at the video. All right, we utilize the camera to measure the exact footage. So we're going to be doing this vertical stack cast iron from the top here all the way down to the closet bed. So we'll take a piece of tape and we'll measure it, and that'll give us the exact footage of the liner insert. Yep. All right, so now that we've have our mark, we're going to go ahead and tape it. And we'll lay this out when we do our liner, and that'll again give us the exact footage. All right, so now that we have our footage, we're getting everything prepped. There's our markings right there. All right, so now we're mixing our epoxy. Okay, so we're inserting the epoxy inside the liner. And again, it's all measured and pre-mixed based on the original footage up on the roof that we did. Depending on the temperature of the day, you got to move quick. If it's a warmer day, if it's a cooler day, those all play a factor in how quickly you have to move. Now we're spreading the epoxy and soaking it really well into the felt, to the liner. You can see that the white now is starting to turn the color of the resin. Okay, so now it's time to insert it into our orange inversion tube. Add a little bit of detergent soap to go into the tube and down the pipe, much more smooth so it doesn't get stuck. The air right now, you can see starting to come out. So we've got the bag inside the line. So now we're inserting our camera just so we can inspect and make sure that everything is being applied properly. This is why the plastic is important. You can see the residue here. Very difficult to get off of roofs and sidewalks and carpet and everything else working in. So make sure that your contractor applies the right protection. Okay, so now we're installing our other 90, and this is the one that has the balloon inside. So here's the other 90 with the balloon inside. I'm going to go ahead and insert it. Putting the camera down again just so we can get a good inspection. Once we've done that, go ahead and continue on with the air infusion. All right, so this is why it's called cured in place, because now we're just waiting for that epoxy to cure. In a day like this, and especially up on a roof with a sunny day like this, we're going to be able to get this cured in about 45 to 30 minutes. If it was a cooler day, Sometimes the epoxy curing time can take up to 2 hours. All right, what are the benefits of pipe lining? There's quite a bit. Cost savings, for example, this job that we're doing right now, we'd have to open up those cabinets, remove all those books, open up walls, so you got wall patching and painting and cabinetry. So we're saving thousands of dollars for this type of job here. But it also, the benefit is root intrusion. We see often where you have lines that are installed underground that have connections every 10 feet. Roots get in between there. With an epoxy lining, it's one solid pipe, not allowing root intrusion. Cast iron, rehabilitating cast iron pipe that's porous, awesome benefit. So those are some of the benefits. All right, so it's been about 32 minutes and it is cured. So now we're removing the balloon. Okay, we're gonna run a camera now and just verify and make sure that we don't have any ripples and everything is intact. Now we're running the camera up and you can see fully lined vertical stack. All right, so then we'll just go ahead and cut that excess liner right there. Okay, we'll do that next. You can see how hard that is, guys. See that? And the new liner inside that cast iron pipe. All right, guys, hopefully this pipe lining video was helpful. As always, thanks for watching.